Hey folks, welcome to my Learning Center's morning routine video series, video number 7. How to use morning pages journaling as part of your best morning routine. So let's talk about it. Have you ever attempted morning pages? You have certainly seen folks post about them on Instagram or Pinterest. No. Why not? You ask. Writing morning pages is a straightforward habit that can improve your day as well as your daily routine. Writing 3 pages of unrestricted thought out loud is known as morning pages. Isn't that journalizing? You are presumably thinking. Indeed, it is. The morning pages, on the other hand, are written without any thought to what will be written until the morning. This practice has numerous advantages. The method will help you get rid of the thoughts that keep coming to mind, make room for fresh perspectives, and reduce worry or unfavorable thought patterns that your mind tends to favor. This practice has numerous advantages. The method will help you get rid of the thought that keep coming to your mind, make room for fresh perspectives, and reduce worry of unfavorable thought patterns that your mind tends to favor. Writing longhand down what's on your mind enables you to interact with your surroundings and inner self in a manner that typing does not. The main reason for this is that you are slowing down and can now pay closer attention to your thoughts, feelings, and environment. What are the best ways to include morning pages in your morning routine now that you are aware of them? Your choice writing instruments will be required first. This can be a pencil or pen, a notebook, or unbound white paper. The last and most important step is to surround yourself with those things as soon as you wake up in the morning. With tea, coffee, or even a sports drink, you can write your morning pages from your bed or the kitchen counter. 3 pages of longhand writing may at first appear like a difficult task. There's a chance your hand may cramp, you won't know what to write, and 3 pages take forever. Maintaining the process is the key. Don't adopt a pessimistic attitude. If, on the first day, you only manage to write half a page, retry in the morning after returning. Don't forget that nobody will read what you write. Your sentences don't have to be wise, provocative, or even grammatically accurate. Simply put, you must write. Any ideas, emotions, or dreams that occur to you are recorded on the paper. Every morning after you are through, you can even discard your completed pages. Don't let the perceived difficulty of morning pages deter you from learning more about their advantages. Thanks for listening. Join our Facebook group, My Learning Center, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, My Learning Center.